Alright guys, I was thinking. I was driving, decided to pull over and make this quick video. Basically, it's all about starting a YouTube channel. Again, little backstory. I started my YouTube channel about 4 years ago, a little bit over 4 years ago. And I thought it was relatively easy to start it. I bought a camera, a digital camera, Canon, put the camera up, started the channel. But it was actually pretty hard to actually start. And I decided to pull over and make this video for people who want to start a YouTube channel now. And I think it's probably the easiest time or the best time to start a YouTube channel. I mean, I pulled over, set my phone up, and I'm recording a video. I mean, just think of it. 10 or 12 years ago, you couldn't even really do YouTube this easy, this quick. I mean, smartphones were relatively new. The iPhone, 2007, 2008? And probably the camera quality was not that good. And who really had who had iPhones? And now you could just pull over, get any of your phones. It could be an Android, it could be an iPhone, it could be any phone. It could be a GoPro, it could be a quick digital camera. It could be anything. Now it's so easy compared to 10 or 12 years ago to do a YouTube channel. The thing is, now you could do it and you could just be yourself. Back when I started my channel 4 years ago, I was all nervous. Let me get the camera right. Let me make sure it's focused. What's the thumbnail going to be like? This was all new to me. But really, YouTube now is making it easier than ever to just go out, record, make a video, start a YouTube channel. And that's what it comes down to. I really thought, why not make a quick video to try to inspire you, to motivate you, to go out and make a YouTube channel. It's easy. Get a Gmail address. Upload a video. Make a video. Will you get any views? Probably not. Will you get any subscribers? Probably not. The thing is, if you've been thinking about creating a YouTube channel, this is the time. This is the time right now to start and to create. I quit for a little while on YouTube. As you guys know, this is the second video actually probably that I've done in over almost 2 years. And I stopped because life got busy. And I wanted to do YouTube. I still wanted to do it. I wanted to create. I wanted to share my ideas, my opinions, motivate, teach people. If you want to do that, you should do it. I'm busy, yet I pulled over. I put my phone up, and I'm recording. I'm going to upload this, and you're watching it. I'm going to upload it on YouTube. It's uploaded on YouTube. And whatever happens, happens. Whether I get views, whether I don't get views, whether people subscribe, whether people don't subscribe, whether the algorithm takes me to places I could never dream of. I pulled over and I started. I said, let me record. And this is what you could do. This is what anyone could do. Now it's that easy. As a matter of fact, right now, as we speak, YouTube's pushing a lot of these easy mode, these raw, regular guy, regular person, regular average individual YouTube. They're pushing it. Evidently, they're pushing it. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see where this goes. Nothing fancy here. A phone. Me. In my car. Outside. Pulled over. Making a video. I find it amazing. And this is why I think YouTube is still great. Will there be money from this? Probably not. Will there be a lot of views? Probably not. But will I share something that I wanted to share to somebody struggling to start? There's value there. A lot of times, 4 or 5 years ago, when I was thinking of starting a YouTube channel, there were people telling me to start a YouTube channel, trying to motivate me. They had great equipment. They had Sony cameras and Panasonic cameras, and they set up, and they had lights, and they had great microphones. This is my microphone on my phone. Is it going to sound good? I hope so. I hope it sounds good. But they motivated me 4 or 5 years ago to start a channel. And I did. This is my channel. You're here. You're watching it. Will you learn from it? I hope so. Am I wasting my time? I hope not. I mean, this is what makes YouTube special. That you can pull over, get your phone out, set it up, and within minutes, record and create a video. No editing. I'm not editing anything. I mean, after this video is done, I'm going to cut a little bit of the beginning. I'm going to cut a little bit of the end. But I think that's all I'm going to do. And it's raw. It's real. It's me in my car. It could be you in your car, on your phone, sharing what you want to share to help somebody out there. To help anybody out there. If they're scared to start something, teach something, reach somebody, tell their story. And that's really all YouTube's ever was about, I think anyway, to tell a story. Maybe I'll do more of these type of videos. Pull over and just do it. Because I don't have a lot of time. And if you don't have a lot of time, then do this. Go out, get your phone, get in your car. It's nice and quiet. Use whatever you have and start recording. All right, guys? That's it. All right? Hopefully you got value out of this video. And hopefully it inspires you to create. And on that note, I'm going to stop and continue on. Thanks. Subscribe, share, let that algorithm work for me. Or you, or anyone. Goodbye.